Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Wicked bad car, guys. I sold this car actually in 2007. Gentleman's had it ever since. Unfortunately, 3 years ago he passed away. We actually bought a couple cars from his widow. Wicked car, guys. 468 big block, aluminum headed big block, pounds of ground. Car just rocks. You know, good solid straight body. You can see it's finished in torch red. It's got the black vinyl interior. Neat car, man. It's got the old school Torque Thrust D American racing wheels on it with Goodyear Eagles all the way around it. It kind of sits up like that old school Woodward Dream, you know, Woodward Dream Cruiser, and it runs, man. I'm telling you, this thing has a healthy big block in it. Pretty paint. Of course, again, this car was restored about 15, 16 years ago, so there is some touch-ups. There's some blemishes in the paint. But still nice. Very, very nice car. Bumper's showing a little age, you know, but pretty darn nice. You can see, like I say, a couple little touch-up marks as we go around it. You can see the stainless is nice. Glass is nice on the car. Paint is slick, guys. He really kept this car nice. Sorry, just a little fingerprint mark, smudge mark there. Taillight bezels are nice. Again, just a little wear to the bumper. Of course, he's got his Yanko badging on it. Car straight down the sides. The only thing I thought about doing, guys, was putting a little bit bigger rubber on it. I think this car may need it, depending on how hard you want to drive it. You know, just a little more tire up wouldn't hurt this car, to be honest with you, because it runs. If you're, you know, if you're looking for something that gets with the program, guys, this thing will get it. You see the car's clean, straight. I mean, he's kept this car very, very nice. I like the Torque Thrust Ds. See just a little bubble there at the bottom of the door. Other than that, you know, other than some touch-up marks, you're not gonna really nitpick the car to death. It's clean. It's clean underneath. Front disc brakes. Again, healthy big block, guys. 468 cubic inch. It's got a Demon 4-barrel on it. You can see the Edelbrock Torker 2 aluminum intake. It's got the Edelbrock kit. It's got the RPM Performer cam, the Edelbrock RPM Performer aluminum heads. I'm sorry. Torker intake. It's got hooker headers on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got an MSD 6AL box on it. It's got a, this is cool, this is a Moroso cool fuel can, 4-core radiator, 400 turbohydramatic trans, runs on pump gas. It's not so radical you can't drive it, but it scoots. You can see it's got all the March aluminum pulleys on it. It's got an electric fan in there. Good looking car, man. There's just a little wax there, guys. touch-up marks. Chrome mirrors. Door handles have definitely been replaced. See, the door rubbers are nice. Factory black vinyl interior. It's got new carpet, new sill plates. Again, all that stuff was done, 15 years ago. Bucket seats, console, sports steering wheel. It's got the big Monster tach in there. $73,000. That is supposed to be the original miles on it. I think he's put almost 5,000 miles on it. It's got a horn button underneath. The only one thing I don't care for is the aftermarket radio he put in, guys, but it is what it is. It works too. 2.5-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust. Got a drive shaft loop. 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end. Brand new tire. It's got a Torque Thrust D spare with a brand new tire. Relocated the battery to the trunk. It's all spackle coated in here like it should be. It's got a fuel sump in it, in the fuel tank. Big sway bars on this thing. It drives great, man. It's nice and tight. And you see the big sway bar in the rear. It's got one on the front too. Big Milidon deep oil pan in it. Plugs just come loose. They'll pop back in. Good looking car, man. Seats are nice. Console's nice. That's the radio. Like I say, it works. It just doesn't look the prettiest in there. I like that big Monster tach. I don't think the blower motor's even hooked up, guys, if I remember right on this car. The ears are nice. MSD Pro Billet distributor. This thing pounds too, man. Listen to it. Boy, that thing sounds mean, boys. We're gonna have to check on the fuel gauge. Tach works. Oh, it's got all your oil pressure and temp gauge underneath. You see, car's got good oil pressure. Boy, that car hits, man. And radio works. Doors open and close nice. Nope, horn's underneath. There's a little horn button underneath the dash. There's a little button. It's kind of cool horn. Jordy likes that. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at our website, which is southernmotors.com. Check out our Instagram page and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Well, that car looks good. She will run. Have a great day, guys.